Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to Rich Start Insider, a place where future millionaires come together to get ideas. 600 stimulus check, we got it! Yes! So, IRS has already started sending out the stimulus check. In this video, we're going to talk about who's going to get stimulus check and who's not going to get stimulus check, and when are they paying unemployment benefits. So if this is your first time to Rich Start Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, and how to make more money in life and in USA. So if you want to make more money, make sure you subscribe our channel so you do not miss any of my videos. IRS has already started paying stimulus check starting from this week. So who gets the stimulus check the fastest is those people who have direct deposit information, the bank accounts, and if you have filed 2019 tax return, so you will get the stimulus check the soonest. So if you did not file the tax return in 2019, or if you do not have the bank account information with IRS, you need to wait a little bit more. And if you want to make it quick, so make sure you provide the information to IRS Get My Payment. I'm going to put the link down below in description or in comment. So go ahead and update your bank account information. If you change your address, go ahead and update it. I already talked about it in a previous video. So if you haven't done it yet, do it so. And if you have not filed the tax return for 2019, there is also a link for the non-filer. It's the same page. So I'm going to put the link. So if you look at it, they have a place for non-filer as well. You can update the information so that they get the IRS know who to pay. They need to know at least who to pay if you are qualified. If you do not provide any information, they're not going to know. The only way for them to know is the tax return. So you need to provide that information as a non-filer. So go ahead and provide that information. So if you already provided everything, so you should be able to get the stimulus check until January 15. They will keep giving stimulus check until January 15. If you miss that, or for any reason, if you do not get it, you probably need to wait until April 15, the tax filing date, to get the stimulus check. So that's one important thing. And another thing is unemployment benefits. They started paying for the week of December 21st to March 13th. They will start to pay that way. But they never mention about paying back date before December 21st. So if you miss a few weeks, if you lost your job, you probably not get for the weeks before December 21st. So, but if you have any questions, just to clarify or update the information, any question you have, you can go to IRS and call their number. The best time to call is usually at the beginning of the day when they open. The first probably 5 minutes, 10 minutes. The first 5 minutes is the best, or when they start to open, maybe the last hour of the day, or between 2 to 4 p.m. So you try 3 times a day. So usually takes about 30 minutes to an hour to talk to somebody in IRS. So make sure you have enough time to talk to them. So just start dying, you can go ahead and do something else. So when they start to pick up the phone, you can call them, you can talk to them. So, and also some people ask me about some of the questions. That's about stimulus check. Question they said they have a 1040 income. They receive tips as well, and their income is just a little bit over 40,000. And why do I not get it? If your income is below 75,000 or 87,000 for single, 87,000 for single, you should get stimulus check. You should get full payment of $600 if your income for 2019 is below 75,000. I talk about more details in the previous video. So yes, you can go ahead and check it out for the income. So you should be able to get the stimulus check even though you are on 1040 or whatever, 1090 or whatever it is. And another thing is that I changed my bank account. So what should I do? I already mentioned in the video. Go ahead and update in the in the description, the link below. IRS get my payment, update your bank account information, update your address, whatever, to make sure it's accurate. If it's not in time, you just go ahead and check with the previous address. Let's say you move and you are going to receive the check. Although you already updated, you might want to check with the previous address if they receive your stimulus check. So that's something that you can do as well. So it's really important to go ahead and do it. And another thing is that, if another question that I got is that, they said, my husband basically taking a rest at home because he cannot walk. If he is taking a rest because his employer cannot pay him, or furlough, or temporary break, you may be eligible for unemployment benefits. But if he just taking a break because of pandemic or maybe some other situation, check with your state unemployment office. If you live in California, go ahead and check California unemployment benefits. If you live in Utah, just go and check Utah unemployment benefits. Montana, just go ahead and check Montana unemployment benefit office. So you can go and see their website and call them, email them, whatever it is. That's what you can do. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video. And also the Senate 2000 stimulus check already passed. The House already passed the 2000 stimulus check, and Senate is taking a break for holidays. They haven't agreed to 2000 check yet. So Senate Democrats and Senate Republicans and independent Senator Bernie Sanders have been pushing for 2000 check. So looks like we're gonna need to wait for the new Congress, because remember in this month, January, there is a election for senators in Georgia. 2 senators, 2 Republicans, 2 Democrats. If these 2 Democrats wins, so the vice president is gonna be a tiebreaker. So vice president is a Democrat, Kamala Harris. So most likely, you're gonna get 2000 stimulus check. If one of the Republicans wins, Republicans has a majority in the Senate, then the chances getting lower. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. So I believe 2000 check is gonna come into the picture later, maybe in February or so. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you want to get more money, so you can start investing in stock. So if you receive the stimulus check, instead of spending on TV, sodas or alcohol or cigarettes, so you can start putting that money in the stock, and you might double the money in next 2 years, depending on what you invest. So if you haven't opened an account yet, click the link below. If you click the link below, you could get 2 free stock or 2 or 4 free stock after depositing $100. So as long as you have social security number, you can start opening an account. It's totally free. There's another link down below as well. If you deposit $5,000, you get $100 free bonus just by depositing $5,000. So it's free money. So just go ahead and click the link below if you want to open an account. There are so many links as well. So check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep investing in stock, keep investing in real estate, and keep investing in your self-education. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.